Standard 12th Business Mathematics Exercise 5.2. Fourth question. The population of a city in a census taken once in 10 years is given below. The census is taken once in 10 years. So the years are given 1951, 1961, 1971, 1981. So the in between interval will be 10 years. Okay. The population in lakhs is given 35 lakhs for 1951. 42 lakhs for 1961, 58 lakhs for 1971 and 84 lakhs in the year of 1981. They've asked you to estimate the population in the year of 1955. So, two formulas are there, that is Newton's forward and backward formula. So, first you should know which formula to use it. For that, see in which interval this number is there. So, 1955. So it will be in the interval of 1951 and 1961. Somewhere here you will have 1955. So it is in the beginning of your table. Since the required value of y is near the beginning of the table, we can use the Newton's forward formula, because in the forward first part, okay, not in the backward, it is in the first part. So you can use Newton's forward interpolation formula. So first you will have to fix it which formula to use it, whether forward or backward. Okay, depends on this value, the forward or backward sum will be changing. Okay, so it is 1955 is given, so it will go to the forward interpolation formula. Now we'll just write the formula. Y of x is equal to x naught plus nh is equal to y naught plus n divided by 1 factorial into delta y naught plus n into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into delta square y naught plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 divided by 3 factorial into delta q y naught plus etc. So this is your Newton's forward formula. Now to find your y at x is equal to, they have given the value, it is 1955. We will take this value as x. Okay, so x is equal to 1955. Now substitute in this place. Before that, write your x naught. X naught is your first value, it is 1951. And your h's, that is the in between interval, otherwise the length of the interval you can write it as h. Okay, h is here, it is 10 years, so because of that you can give your h as 10. Okay, now substitute this x naught and h in this place. So you will get x is equal to x naught plus nh. In that we will have to substitute 1955, that is equal to x naught is 1951 plus keep your n as it is and your h is 10. Now we will have to find your n from here. So 1955, take this term towards your left hand side, so it will become minus 1951, which is equal to 10n. Now subtracting 1955 minus 1951, you will have 4, which is equal to 10n. Otherwise n is equal to 4 divided by 10, that is equal to 0.4. Therefore, the value of n is equal to 0.4. X values are years. Okay, so it is 1951. Second one is 1961, 1971, 1981. And your y is your population in lakhs, so it is 35, 42, 58 and 84. Now you'll have to find your del y. So subtract from down to top. Okay, so 84 minus 58, you'll get 26. Right middle to these two number 26. Then 58 minus 42 will get 16. So middle to those two numbers it is 16. 42 minus 35. So middle to 42 and 35 will get 7 over there. Then delta square y now. 26 minus 16, middle to that 10. Then 16 minus 7, middle to that 9. So then next one is delta cube y, you have to find it. So 10 minus 9 is, you'll get 1. Since it is forward, so take all the values from top. So your formula is y is equal to y naught plus n divided by 1 factorial into delta y naught plus n into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into delta square y naught plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 divided by 3 factorial to delta cube y naught plus etc. So we'll have to substitute in this formula all the values. So that is equal to y naught. Y naught is in your y, just see your first value, that is your y naught. So 35 plus n, we have got it before, it is 0.4 divided by 1 factorial into delta y naught. So in your, see in your delta y, your first value, that is your 7 plus again n into n minus 1. So 0.4 into 0.4 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial is nothing but 2 into 1 delta square y naught. So in delta square y, just see the first value, it is 9 plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2. So 0.4 into 0.4 minus 1 into 0.4 minus 2 divided by 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1 delta cube y naught. So see in your delta cube y, your first value. So into 1. Now we'll go for solving. 35 is there as it is. Just multiply 0.4 into 7, you'll get it as 2.8 you'll get plus this 2 and 0.4 you can cancel, you'll get 0.2. Now multiply 0.2, you keep as it is. 0.4 minus 1, you'll get it as minus 0.6. You can use your calci into 9 plus your this term solving, that is 0.4, same 0.4 minus 1. So you can write this answer minus 0.6. 0.4 minus 2 is minus 1.6 into this 1 is there divided by 3 into 2. So you can cancel this 2 and 0.4, you get 0.2. Again 3 and 0.6 you can cancel, but minus is there, so minus 0.2. So now go for your solving. So 35 plus this 2.8 as it is, multiply plus into 1 minus we have got, so you just give minus, plus into minus is minus. 0.2 into 0.6 into 9, you will get it as 1.08. Just use your calcium and multiply 0.2 into 0.6 into 9. So that is your third term. Now going to your fourth term, first see your symbol minus and minus is there. So you can give minus into minus, it will become plus. Now what are the terms are there? 0.2, 0.2, 1.6 into 1 is there. So now when you are multiplying all these terms, you will get your answer as 0.064. That is equal to, add all the plus terms, 35 plus 2.8 plus 0.064, you will get it as 37.864 minus one single term is there with minus 1.08. So subtracting from 37.864 minus 1.08, you will get your answer as 36.784. The answer should be in lakhs, so you can declare your answer as lakhs. So therefore, in the year of 1955, the population will be 36.784, otherwise 37 lakhs.